So you recently hit 100 million customers. So tell us more about how do you plan on increasing the market share? We already have the prominent players in the industry. So what is your plan towards that? And also the NPCI regulation with the market share. How does that benefit you? What do you think about that?
Yeah. First of all, the thank you for that question. The the first point is that the opportunity, when we look at, while we've made great progress on UPI, the opportunity still is very large, and we as one of the players in the ecosystem feel very excited about that. That's number one. Number two is that our approach is really about customer backwards and solving customer problems. And if you ask me, I don't worry about market share. I don't worry about competition. I worry about how can I solve problems for customers and merchants, and other things follow. And in that regard, what you mentioned, 100 million users, we feel very humbled and proud to hit that milestone. And it is a great validation of our customer experience and the customer trust that the customers have placed on us. So we feel very excited about that. And then we feel, we part of this digital revolution and digital journey.
Sir, we also there are also talks about your that you looking at a standalone Amazon Pay app. What do you have to share with us about that? Any update you could give or clarifications on
Yeah.
that?
See, look, we when we started Amazon Pay, there was a reason we built an integrated strategy of building Amazon Pay within the Amazon overall app, and that's the strategy that we are pursuing right now. Now, in terms of, we also, as I said, we work backwards from the customer. We also listen to our customers and merchants, and then see if there is a way to innovate and do better. So that's all I would say at this stage. We continue to listen and adjust our plans, and anything more than this is very speculative at this point.
Sir, could you give us an update on the merchant payments business and also the lending business? What is the growth ahead for that, and what plans or roadmap do you have for that?
First of all, we have been in the payments, merchant payments and payments aggregation, what we call here in the industry, for many, many years. And we already have a very large base of online merchants, as well as the offline, what we call store payments merchants. So, and we feel very excited about now the license that we got from the regulator to continue to operate as a payment aggregation for online, as well as on a cross-border payment. So our focus is very simple. Again, continue to innovate on behalf of our merchants and help them grow, help them acquire new customers, increase their card share, and also lower their costs and cost of payments. So that's what we are after. And if we solve these problems, again, the outcomes happen. And that's what I would say at this point.
There's also a lot of talk about the use of newer technologies, the emerging tech, right? AI and
Yeah.
stuff. So tell us a little bit at Amazon, what are you trying to do? How do you leverage these technologies? And can we expect any new features that are coming up?
Yeah. First of all, artificial intelligence and generative AI are really transformative technologies. And I would put it in three buckets, what it does for us. First, it allows us to create personalized experiences, very unique to you. Secondly, it helps to lower the cost. Payments is a very low margin business, and if you can take the costs out, it really helps on operations. And the third thing is, it can also help us, on fraud and abuse, and mitigate that on a payments for the payment systems. And all these things are something that we are very excited about. And the other thing is on the new innovations on the area of voice-based payments, and that's also is very exciting. And so that we can make even payments more convenient for our customers and more trusted for our customers. So all those things we feel excited about. Stay tuned as we work on the innovation and bring more such offerings to our customers.
So the parent Inc. is bullish on the payments business that you have here. We saw that with the 600 crore fund infusion that has happened. So could you give us some details on what is the disbursement strategy of that? How do you deploy that, and what are the plans for?
Yeah. So look, again, we are solving these problems, and we continue to build our product and services. So large part of this investment goes in building our products and services. And we always, I think we are very fortunate to have investors which have a really long-term view. about the payments and the financial services potential in India and our ability to serve on those problems. And so we excited about that.
We've always heard you talk about this is all about building more digital payment instruments. So, what more can you expect? What are the newer problems that you're trying to solve? Where does the next step of innovation come in?
Yeah, you already saw. We just announced yesterday our demo, and we did the demo on the delegate payments, or what we the circle, the UPI Circle. So that's one innovation that's very excited. Credit on UPI is very exciting, and there are several such things that we're bringing to the fore. And voice-based payments, as I mentioned earlier, is very exciting. So you will see like several of those things, we bring into our products to our customers.
Great. So, these were the questions we had for you. Thank you so much for your time.